Paris, 1974. JCB France takes the opportunity of demonstrating the range of JCB construction machines to the crowds of onlookers at the Expomat fair. Besides the excavator loader range, JCB also showed their wheeled loading shovels with revolutionary double axis articulation, the design award-winning crawler loading shovel, and the 800 series crawler excavators. Drawing from long experience in the design of hydraulic excavators, the JCB research engineers and designers were given 7 main objectives when designing the 800 series hydraulic excavators. Right from the first line drawn, the designer's aim was to produce machines with superior performance, reliability, and versatility. In addition, high priority was given to safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and to the care of the environment. The advanced hydraulic system in the JCB 800 series crawler excavator allows all these objectives to be met. The undercarriage had to be robust and rigid. A cruciform shape was finally chosen, as this design best resists shocks and can absorb the most severe working loads. JCB also specified complete protection for all undercarriage components, and so all pipes, hoses and hydraulic components were concealed, and thick covers were fitted under the cab and slew turret. Besides rugged strength and durability, JCB also wanted the maximum output from their excavators. The machine had to have high power available when necessary, but also be fast when necessary. The solution chosen was clever but simple. It is the variable flow hydraulic system, which gives the best match of speed and power for the job in hand. In difficult terrain or hard digging, you need maximum power. On the other hand, in easy ground or during the dumping of a load, you need to move quickly and return the excavator speedily to its digging position. To speed up cycle times, slewing of the excavator is always the preferred service over the others. This results in predictable slew performance and therefore excellent control. It also means that the slew and other services can be operated simultaneously for economy of movement and therefore reduced cycle times. For maximum utilization and versatility, it is necessary to be able to adapt the excavators to the particular conditions of each work site. For example, the nature of the ground or the depth of dig required. For this reason, the 800 series have multi-position booms and dippers fitted as standard, and there is a wide range of specialist booms, dippers, buckets and attachments. There is also a choice of bucket rollback angle, which ensures that a full bucket load is retained, whatever the material. To reduce the level of sound and pollution, JCB have incorporated their hush flow exhaust system, which allows the mixing of exhaust gases with the engine cooling air. Simple and easy 2-lever controls are used to operate the 4 main excavator services. The cab is spacious and very well ventilated. Large areas of window and low body styling allow the operator exceptional all-round visibility, even to the rear, and the use of soundproofing material and the mounting of the cab on rubber pads cuts down noise levels and eliminates vibration. In order to reduce downtime, JCB have paid particular attention to the protection of pipework, hoses and other components. Aiming also for standardization, there is a great deal of commonization of components across the range. This same standardization is found with the rams of any one model. The diameters are identical. Furthermore, 3 out of 4 are even interchangeable. In order to simplify maintenance, large opening canopies allow easy access to the air and oil filters on one side and to the engine components on the other side. The huge 106 imperial gallon fuel tank ensures working for up to 5 days before refueling is necessary. Always aiming for efficiency, access to the main hydraulic components of the machine has been greatly simplified by a tilting cab, which can be moved by one person. Positive hydraulic flow division is incorporated in the tracking circuit to ensure equal flow to each track, whatever obstacles or ground conditions are met. With this feature, excellent maneuverability and contra-rotation are achieved. It is also sometimes necessary to be able to climb very steep gradients. These machines can go up a 77% slope or better. Efficiency comes from good design. By any standards, this range of machines meets the demanding objectives with which the designers were faced. Good design to give performance and versatility, and good design with relative simplicity, which at the end of the day spells reliability.